Aya's journey of a lifetime. Aya sat beside her mother, her fingers tracing the intricate patterns on the prayer rug. "Mama," she asked, her voice soft, "why is Hajj so important to us?" Her mother smiled, her eyes warm and loving. "Hajj, my dear Aya, is a very special journey. It is the fifth pillar of Islam, a duty that every Muslim who is able must perform at least once in their lifetime." "A pillar?" Aya asked, her brow furrowed in thought. "Like the pillars that hold up our house?" "Exactly," her mother said. "Just as a house needs pillars to be strong, our faith is built on 5 pillars. Hajj is one of them, a way to show our devotion to Allah." "But why do we go all the way to Mecca?" Aya wondered. "We go to Mecca," her mother explained, "to the Kaaba, the house of Allah, to worship Him. It's a journey of unity, where Muslims from all over the world come together as one." "So it's like a big family gathering?" Aya asked, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "Yes, my love," her mother said, "a family of believers, all equal in the eyes of Allah. We ask for His forgiveness and guidance, and we strengthen our connection with Him." "It sounds amazing," Aya whispered, her heart filled with a newfound understanding and a deep longing to one day make the journey herself. Her mother then recited an ayah from the Quran, her voice clear and melodic. "Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَأَذِنْ فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا وَعَلَى كُلِّ ضَامِرٍ يَأْتِينَ مِنْ كُلِّ فَجٍّ عَمِيقٍ صَدَقَ اللَّهُ الْعَظِيمُ." She then translated, "And proclaim to the people the Hajj, pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass."